Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this golf practicing net that this brand sent to me for this video. It is right here inside of this bag, meaning that you can take it with you on the go and practice like on some other friends and houses, like friend houses and just like family houses, or if you're going out to the golf range, you just want to practice with this, or just going out with friends and family to a camping site or a patio or something like that, or the picnic or the beach. You can actually take this one with you and assemble it in like, I don't want to say like more than 10 minutes. It's not going to be more than that. I'm going to show that one to you in a few seconds, but you can know, I mean, you can see that I like to golf. Probably down there, you can see my golf putting green. I have a golf putting green inside my house. So having this and being able to put that one in there and practice my swing and also practice my chipping game or something like that, it's really, really cool. I'm going to show this one to you. It's 10 by 7. 10 by 7. That's huge. It's super good. It comes with 4 practice targets and also comes with a practice mat and also some spare balls as well. Let's take a closer look. So as I was telling you before, it comes right here with the bag. We're going to unpack this one in a few seconds. It also comes with this one's going to be inside of the actual frame. It also comes with 5, actually not 6 spare balls that you're going to use, and the tee right here. And also I really like this one, this practice mat, because it's going to kind of like help you to correct your swing. For example, you can see that this one has kind of like draws a line whenever you're hitting the ball, draws a line. So you can actually use these lines over here to practice, and this to actually set up the tee or just set up the ball, and that's it. So let's actually try to assemble this one right now, because I don't have any more grass in my patio. As you can see, I'm going to do my best with the actual pavement here, with the actual cement. So we have everything ready here. You just need to kind of like extend this kind of like part of the frame right here and make it to be like a super long stick in both places. You need to kind of like form like an X right there, and then you're going to pass it through this holes over here across the whole net. That's pretty much it. We're going to try it right now. Remember, I don't have any more grass right here, but this is better or supposed to be kind of like attached to the ground. If you have grass, that's going to be much better. So I have to say that took like probably 15 minutes, no more than that. But remember, I don't have grass anymore. So you should be probably, it's not mandatory. You still can do it without the grass. But I think this works much better with the grass when you're putting like kind of like the stakes to the ground. Let me show you. Because it comes with this, so you can actually hook each one of the corners to the actual grass, to the actual ground, and it's going to be much better in terms of stability. If not, you can just add some sandbags in each one of the corners. That's probably what I'm going to do. I'm going to add sandbags over there in each one of the corners, and that should do, and that should be good as well. But remember, this should be the proper installation. And once you're done with this, you also have the targets right here, which I think it's super, super awesome. That comes with the pitch and targets right here. So you have kind of like straps over here in each one of these corners. So you're going to set up the kind of like the lock in each one of these corners. Let me show you super quick. So you set up the other right here, and then the other 2 in the bottom corners, and you're all set. So then you can use this, your practice mat over here, to correct your swing or just your pitching game. I do like the fact that you have like those 3 holes to do some lobes, to use some pitch, to use some chipping. So you can actually use your irons, you can use your drivers, you can use your chipping, your sandwich, and things like that. So I'm going to use this one with rubber balls. I'm using rubber balls right here, since I don't have the proper kind of like insulation at the bottom part. I don't want to kind of like push this with too much weight. So I'm going to use right here rubber balls. As you can see over here, I'm going to set up right here. That was pretty bad. I'm trying to lift this one, but since it's not the same weight as a regular ball, almost. Okay, let's try one more time. Oof, almost there. One more time, maybe. Ooh, that was pretty bad. But then you can practice your iron game, and this is where this really nice practice mat it kind of like takes place, because it will help you correct your swing. So one more time with my iron 8. So I'm pretty sure you can see these lines over here, and this one over here, and this one over here, meaning that I was missing my lines. I was kind of like missing my swing. So having this is super beneficial. But again, one more time, I think that having this entire thing, it's super good if you're into golf and just want to practice. You can put this in your garage, you can put this in your patio, in your backyard if you want as well, with the stakes on the ground in the actual grass, and just having the chance to keep practicing your swing, your chipping game, your pitching game, your LOB. So you have that chance if it is like a rainy day, like if during the winter or something like that, having this could be really, really good with also the balls and the practice mat. I like this one, super recommended, thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.